Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take daily supplements, step by step. First, it's crucial to understand your individual needs. Before starting any new regimen, consult with a healthcare professional. They can help assess your current diet, lifestyle, and health goals to determine which supplements are truly beneficial for you. This personalized approach ensures you're taking what's right for your body, avoiding unnecessary additions, and focusing on effective support. Once you know what you need, the next step is selecting high-quality supplements. Always prioritize brands that undergo third-party testing for purity and potency. Look for certifications from organizations such as USP or NSF International, which indicate rigorous quality standards. Carefully read the product labels to understand the ingredients, dosage recommendations, and any potential allergens. Investing in quality ensures you receive the intended benefits from your supplements. Consistency is key when taking daily supplements. Establish a regular routine by taking your supplements at the same time each day. Many supplements are best absorbed when taken with food, so consider pairing them with a meal. For example, fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K benefit greatly from being consumed with healthy fats. A pill organizer can be a helpful tool to manage multiple supplements and ensure you don't miss a dose. Finally, it's important to monitor your body's response and adjust your supplement plan as needed. Pay attention to how you feel and any changes you notice. If you experience any unusual side effects, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Your needs may change over time, so periodically reevaluate your supplement regimen with a professional. This ensures your daily intake remains optimized for your ongoing health and wellness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.